Namaste everyone. Today let's make chicken. It is dry chicken roast with loads of vegetables in it. Made in very little oil and it's very healthy and very tasty. Very few spices yet very aromatic and extremely delicious. So let's see how to make it. In a bowl, first we'll take 2 tablespoons of olive oil and add it to the mixing bowl. To it, we will add about half a teaspoon of salt, some freshly ground black pepper, some dried herbs, these are mixed dried herbs, and dried rosemary. So I'll give it a good mix. This is our marinade. We'll give it a good mix and then we add juice of 1 lemon into it. Just squeeze out 1 fresh lemon juice into it and mix it well again. So there you go, the fresh juice out of a lemon. Give it a mix and now we add the chicken pieces to it. I have taken half kg chicken pieces and I will add it to this marinade. And then we leave the chicken in the marinade for about 4 to 6 hours or overnight if you preferably overnight. But I'll be keeping it for about 6 hours and then I'll take it out and then we'll cook it further. So I have put the pieces into it. We'll rub the marinade well into the pieces so that it incorporates well into it, and we will cover it and leave it in the refrigerator for about 6 hours or like I said preferably overnight. So after 6 hours we will remove it and then cook it further. So the marinade is well rubbed into the chicken and now we cover it and just leave it to rest. Now after 6 hours, let's do some chopping. I take 2 potatoes, a few baby onions, a couple of carrots and bell peppers. So let's chop it. So I've just taken about one third of each bell pepper so that I have the colors. I have peeled the baby onions. I have chopped the carrots, some into roundels, some into cubes, and the potatoes have also been chopped into pieces. Now the vegetables are ready, so we can start cooking. We take a baking dish and line it with aluminium foil, and then we add vegetables into this. First in go the potatoes and then all the vegetables go into it. One by one we add all the vegetables into it. Look at the colors, how beautiful the colors are. Very healthy and extremely looking good. Now we'll add a wee bit of just drizzle some olive oil on top of it, all over the vegetables, very little, a few drops here and there. Add about 1/3 teaspoon of salt. This is pink Himalayan salt that I'm adding. Some freshly ground black pepper on top of the veggies, and our vegetables are ready to go into the oven. But before that, we'll give it a mix with a spoon just so that all the salt and pepper and the oil is mixed well into the vegetables. Evenly spread out the vegetables, just layer them to the bottom of your baking pan, and then we add the chicken pieces to it, the ones that we had marinated. I have removed them after 6 hours. I'll once again rub the marinade, just flip it up and down and just rub the marinade onto the pieces once again before we add it to our baking dish. So, and just spread the chicken pieces all over the vegetables one by one, just so your baking dish, if it's wide enough, that's even better. So the pieces go on top of the vegetables, and whatever little marinade is left in the bowl, I'm adding it, just drizzling it on top of the pieces. So this is done. It is ready to go into the oven at 200 degrees for 20 minutes first, and I've removed it after 20 minutes. I'm just checking it and flipping the sides over one by one, and then we'll put it to bake again for another 30 minutes. So all the pieces are flipped and back into the oven it goes for another 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes we'll remove it again and see if it is well done. So in it goes 30 minutes again at 200 degrees, and after 30 minutes we'll remove it again and see Yeah, the chicken is lightly browned. We'll brown it for some more time. For another 20 minutes we put it in. So here goes. The chicken is well done. I've removed it after that. It's well done. It's nice, piping hot, light brown. And let's check the potatoes. Yes, they are cooked. Another piece. It looks good, cooked and good. And let's check the carrot. Yes, it's also done. So time for plating, and how delicious it looks. So let's plate it first and then serve it to our friends, eat it and enjoy it with our family. And because it's so nutritious and so low on calories, we've not added too many spices too, not very spicy, yet very tasty. So my dear friends, enjoy it and give my video a like, and do subscribe to my channel so that I know that you're enjoying what I am cooking and putting it there out for you. Bye for now.